Yo, 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 yo.
China Commerce Ministry on Rare Earth Control says as long as export license applications are for civilian use, applications will be approved.
Gold looking good for a sell. Yo.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I'll have a look in a minute. Just drawing out my charts. I'm doing a slightly different approach as well. So I'm drawing them out and I'm dropping a line down for my initial bias to see where price goes, so I don't get confused, should we say, like yesterday, because obviously I didn't sleep good, as you all know. 4 hours of sleep. Maybe that's why I missed analyze GU. EU and GJ were valid. I'll have a look at gold in a minute. I shall have a look now really quick. Oh yeah, it does. It does, yeah. Break, retest and a drop down. Actually, I'm gonna wait for gold to come. Take. Actually, you know what? I might not even need to. Yeah, it just made a new all-time high again, like only just, and then fell off. But it's just come down, taking Asia low, made equal lows down here. I would prefer price come take this level out and then go long from there, because if it's gonna continue making higher highs and stuff like that, it needs to collect something from inside to go up. Silver doesn't have to do what gold doesn't have to do either, is come down, take Asia low, come down, take these lows. It doesn't have to do that. It can just take some internal price action lows in it and then run from there, which is kind of a trend line right there, to be honest. So I would actually prefer it if it'd be hard to draw with the pencil. Let me just get the line. It's gonna be better for price to come down and take like these lows, for example. It'd be better if I drew it from here. Yeah, like for example these lows right there. So I would like it to kind of come down and do that. So it comes down, takes this low with these lows, and then pushes up on silver anyway. Now it doesn't have to do that. That's the issue. It doesn't have to do that, but it would look good. Price retracing slowly to midpoint rather than printing. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. If you look on M15, you got bigger bearish candles on the you got bigger bearish candles, small bullish candles, big bearish candles, small bullish candles, and also it's just come off of the midline right there. Probably a 5-minute supply. Yeah, just tag the 5-minute supply zone. So, but what I don't know is, did this supply zone take out this level? No, it didn't. It made equal highs, which is suspicious for me, because I would like price to come up and take them highs, but at the same time gold, it might not do. It might just come into this supply zone and just sell off in it. So I'm going to look on M1. I'll keep an eye on M1. Should tag me before heading downwards. Where's your entry? What price figure? I'm gonna sit on M1/M2 and look for a. Let's get M5 and write that, draw that supply zone out just in case. Okay, it's tagged it. Now, if this is valid, I need to see price action start to become bearish, not tagging, give reaction and go up, because that's a smart money trap, isn't it? 96. 196. What? Yeah, just in this supply zone, about here. 25, 20, 19, 17. Yeah, here, exactly here. Let's mark that up on the chart. Wait, gbpchf. go back to yen. Yen, I'm not too sure what to do. I wanted to come up and take the high. Okay, perfect. So we come, tag that zone. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Tag this demand zone, made a higher low. Copy paste that. Now we got a new demand zone. Oh, bollocks. Oh, it's tagged the invalid zone. Look. Oh no. No. Tag the invalid zone. Ah, you idiot. You idiot. Damn it, man. It's just tagged that zone. Price just came 12 pips to tag me. Yeah, I think it did come close, didn't it, when I was having a quick look just now. Yeah, it was close, yeah. It come up to yeah, but about, what was it, 15? Yeah, 12 pips. Well, 11 pips for my broker, but yeah, like that close. Oops, what did I click? I need to message Contacle to reset my payout cycle so I can do another 14 days. So I also need for price to, if it wants to come into a deeper level, it's fine if it wants to come into a deeper level, but then I need to see break, lower high, break, no invalid zone, then a short through all of this here. That's what I'd need to see for me to go short on M1. Yeah, look, price tag the invalid zone on here, dropped all the way down into the entry. Now it's gonna probably come down and make a, I mean, we are bullish on GCHF, like clearly the whole of Asia is bullish, but we have kind of made a trend line, like 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch, 6 touch. We have kind of made a trend line. But so far, buys are looking more better than sells. Let's just get rid of this then and see what price does. Because technically we do have a bit of a channel going on here. The price might be wanting to come down, take this channel out and continue going higher. Which would make sense because you just tagged an invalid zone, and as I said many times before, for an invalid zone to fail, I prefer it where it comes down, takes 11 and pushes up. Also, does it help if I draw my little arrow on the chart showing my direction? That's why I'm putting the little arrows there, to show my direction. Because the guy who trades similar to the similar way I do, that's what he does. And I was like, that's not a bad idea. That way I won't keep switching biases so quickly, which is not bad at all, like, to do that. It's like your initial bias is to go short or whatever. So I do want to go short because pound has come to the midline in Asia. I like my chart in blue and black. I don't know why. I'm just comfortable in blue and black. I don't like green and red. Yeah. Just because I agree with that, because then the candles and everything look like what they are in terms of color and stuff like that, so you know which candle you're looking at. I agree with that. If that's gonna hold, build up inducement, this should hold here also. For this to be valid, this needs to hold. Blah. Go back to yen. Thank you. So remind me in like 2 hours if I forget to send the email to QT to reset the thing, because they open at 9:30. The support team does for you. Even though you might forget also. Price come out, took these highs, took all this level, I created this channel, built up into there. There's a build up, sweep into a supply zone, which I thought was invalid to trade from. Because on M2 it's not broke structure, still making in like lower high, lower low, higher low, higher low. Intently. Yeah. So yeah. Nah, I might I might come up still. Still might come up. If this breaks here, damn it, it's demand zone right there. I was gonna go short on euro from about here. Damn it. From there. And I can't take it if price tags into this, because remember it might come up, take this level out or take this level out, and then push down, because that's one of the things for my thing that I talk about, isn't it? You have to just wait in it. Can't do nothing about that. Half an hour.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother. GCHF is still looking clean for longs because we have built up a channel. Pum took the channel after tagging an invalid zone. So I think longs are gonna be the play on GCHF. Euro, I want to go bearish, but it looks like it's given a I'll show you how I view price in it, yeah. I'll do it on M2 just a bit more. Price come up here, took these highs, break structure, built up a channel, took the channel, break structure here, had these highs right here near Asia midline. Asia midline took those highs, had a channel here to attack, so it's still bearish. Then it built up this channel here, price come up, took the channel, leaving an invalid zone on the bottom. That's Asia midline, pretty much supply zone, after taking like these 1, 2, 3 highs, then falling down, so showing bearish. Basically leg down, leg down, leg down, and I'm now looking for the next leg down. So that's what I'm looking for. But the issue we just have is the next issue we have is price break structure here. I wanted to go short from this supply zone, but they got this demand zone here, this demand zone here, and you got this invalid zone. So I can't take it now because price could come tag either of these zones, come up, take this high, or take this high and then short down. So you know what I'm saying? You would think so, yes. I mean, GU's kind of looking similar, yeah. Yeah, very similar price action. The only difference is it did take out this low, but that's only a 5 o'clock structural low. So I'm still thinking that because internal price action still, this is the midline of Asia right here. It's literally took out these highs in midline, built up a channel right here for price to come up, take the channel and continue down is what I'm thinking on GU. But I am suspicious because GU's behaving weird, isn't it? It's not behaving normal, so I'm not too sure. Now hopefully this supply zone holds. I want a long GC, lower high, so higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, technically internal higher low. So if GBPCHF now break structure here, I'm willing to go long. I'll just automatically set a 2.5 pip SF. Let's move that out of the way. And then that sticks to the narrative of wanting to go long on CHF. Gold, yen, I'm not sure what to do with the yen. The only thing I can find is invalid zone up top because it had equal highs there, super, and then yes, we broke structure here, but that still looks like an invalid zone and we've not broken lower. So we made higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high. We've not broken that low again, so I'm thinking it's still gonna hold on GJ. Silver, gold, me and Francis want to short it. Francis entry was right here. I wrote it on the chart, sack entry right there. For me, my entry would be if price comes into the level, makes a lower high low, lower high, lower low without an invalid zone. So it could break this low, or it could break this low and then come into there and short down. And Francis's entry is just so close, but it's coming back up slowly, Francis, so you might be able to get your entry. Silver, I want silver to come take these lows, then go up. Because I'm happy to short gold and buy silver, because silver is doing far better anyway. But that's probably a bad idea because they do often move in sync. Okay, so look at that. Also, Amal, do me a favor at 9:30, so about 2 hours, remind me to message Quanteco support team so I can ask them to reset my payout cycle so I can start the new cycle. Because I have to message them every time and it's quite annoying. So then I gotta do 0.5 again, which I don't mind. I was talking to AD98 yesterday, even he's having trouble and he trades ICT on M15. He goes, bro, price is so dirty, bro. I was like, yeah, I know. So dirty, extra dirty, with the hair on top that has fluff. Eh. Eh. Haram. What's haram? So GJ, I'm a bit confused on GJ, I can't lie. Euro is coming up to this level. It's, as I said, it's still tagged into this demand zone here. Let me just draw it so you can see, in case you don't know what I'm talking about. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, break structure there. That's a demand zone. I can also see right now channel one touch, two touch. So as I said, price might come up, take this level and then come down. One is a magnificent. This guy, man, this guy. We do M5 because M5 is going to be a bit cleaner, you know. There. Oh god, that was really bad. Let me try that again. Okay, so I need to do it on there basically. There. Yeah. It didn't give me long from there, but I don't mind because all it's done is build up, taking these lows. Now it might push up. So let's see. We'll see in it. So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, If we were taking it from here, you would have failed because price tagged into that zone above. So then lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I still think that that's gonna go up. I still think pound's gonna go up on CHF. And EU and G are looking too short. Unless we come down, take out this low, and then we're just gonna target all these levels as the failure points, basically. Oh, hey CS, welcome, bro. Ni hao, ni hao, ni hao.
Ni hao. How are you? What are you doing?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I got that one just for you, bro. Ni hao ma. How are you doing? Shalom, lachaim.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
That's a warm welcome, lol. It's customized just for you, bro. Let's go back to gold again. Still not doing much, is it? I might get rid of DXY and have a 4-pair chart, but it is good for me to know where price is going and stuff like that on DXY. I want gold shorts. It's just not giving me what I want to see as of yet. So I'm just kind of waiting. I was looking at GJ, but GJ's a bit confusing at the moment, man. On M5, M15. Only thing I can find is you might want to go up to take that level out, but can't really see anything else. Okay, so price is calm, taking that level out. See price push up now, hopefully. Okay, it's coming into that supply zone. Now question is it gonna hold or is it gonna fail on here? Because this is technically, for me, I see this as order flow. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I don't like the look of this because this just signals to me, yeah, that it's gonna go bearish and take out this entire level. Was there a way to get into shorts then? So let's say higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That would have failed. If you took it from here, that's an invalid zone. I don't trade from invalid zones, so that would have potentially failed or will fail soon anyway. So I wouldn't have taken it from there. Possibly taking it from here, I suppose, but price didn't really tag it. I'm gonna keep sticking with the idea of longs. Yen's falling. Okay, so it's taking this zone out. Now let's draw this here. Oh, shoot. So now it's come up, took that zone out. Now question is, that's Frankfurt high now. after taking Frankfurt high and leaving this low and this low here, what's price gonna do? That's the next question. Get rid of that. Keep this one here for about 8:15. Yeah. Same with this, probably about 8:15. So okay, we're getting the GU's looking clean. Build up, sweep. Now let's see what happens. We do have a M5 supply zone as well, right around Asia midline. So let's see if that holds or not. So prices come down. Is there any of the lows here, anything like that? No, just these two. Is there a channel or anything? No, not really. Yeah, I'm still sticking with longs. We got London open in 13 minutes, so I'm still sticking with longs until then. Euro is looking clean, to be fair, and so is pound for shorts. Actually, I won't be able to get that in there. Now let's see if it's gonna let me take an entry or not, though, innit? Because that's the only next concern. The price has come, taken these highs into the supply zone. Now let's see, is it gonna sell off from here or not? Okay, yen. Build up, sweet, broke structure, build up, see the entire level out, made a lower high and a lower low, which I don't like. What's going on with CHF JPY? Is there any direction on CHF JPY? No, yen stronger. VIX is we're down back to 16 again on VIX. Bitcoin's 92, oil. So yen is stronger than Swiss right now.
Eastern time we get Swiss unemployment rate adjusted, forecast 3%.
Oh damn! Wait, I need to be careful when I trade Swiss. What time is it?
3% on the prior to spot 9%.
8 o'clock. Okay, so I need to be careful at 8 o'clock. So I need to take a trade after about 10-15 minutes after London Open, just to be safe. And then you got Italian PMI, 8:30. Let me just check Forex Factory, make sure there's no red folder so I don't get in trouble. Nope, we're clear for today until New York session. What are you saying anyway, Sahad? What's going on? What's gold doing? Gold's coming, Francis. Okay, so what did it do? It come up, took out that entire level. I need to stop watching that. Okay. Except I thought, damn, that's mad. Okay, so you can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And reanalyze price again. So lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. And then price come. Took this high right now. Asia midline just above it. Here's another 5-minute supply zone, literally on the Asia midline. Now let's see if this holds, because I'm thinking that this is just a channel for price to fall through, and that shorts are still the way to go. Lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. But that's Frankfurt, so Frankfurt's manipulation. I'm following Asia so far. So either we short from here or we take out these levels here. 1, 2, 3 relatively equal highs right there. So let's see what Euro does. Yo, Mwangi, welcome. Hi, boys.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
So, come on then, what's going on? Sahad, what's going on? Mwangi, CS, what's going on, boys? What's happening? What's happening? So we've got Frankfurt low here, Frankfurt high there. You funny guys. Nothing much, dry today, dry day, yeah.
At 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss unemployment rate. Adjusted forecast 3% on the prior 3%. Unadjusted forecast 3% on the prior 2.9%.
So what's up? Unemployment's ticked up, or they're forecasting it? No, it's just 3 and 3. Okay, no problem. A Latina would have made me sleep at 8 a.m. Ay, Dios mío. ¿Por qué tú eres loco? Muy loco. Ready on it with the break back. Oh my. Where is Brother Tate?
Haram!
You bloody harams. You bloody harams.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real
Yeah.
you got a real
We'll see now, you know, what happens. I want to get in after this on gold. Oh, nice. How much was it, if you don't mind me asking? Hopefully you get it quick as well, man. And they don't take the mick and stuff like that. I hate the fact they have to wait like up to 3 days. 4.2. Nice on the 25k. Bro, boy is sending it. Boy is sending it. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So how much did you get in AUD then? Full port. How much are you risking, man? Because obviously your account's only 25k, so you must be risking like 2-3%, man. Because markets are shit on high time frame and low time frame, so I don't know where you're getting the move from. Unless you're risking like 3-4% or something, innit? Then it's alright, you can. Oh wow, mad. Is that a lot though or not in dollars, AUD? Because I don't know how strong their economy is. Yeah. Yeah, that's alright then, isn't it, bro? That's good. So we got Frankfurt high
1 minute
here.
remaining. I'll lead with
We got
Swiss
Frankfurt
unemployment
low
rate
here. We got
adjusted.
London open in 1 minute. What do you think it's gonna do? Oh, I wanted to see price come out, take Frankfurt high, then give me a reason to go short. If it comes out and takes all these all the lows out and stuff like that, it's gonna be very annoying. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, have fun. We got loads of lows here as well. Well, just look at all of these lows you've got right here as well. You've got a bunch right there.
10 seconds.
No Latinas up. Okay, so here's London open. Many halal, good lad.
3% as expected. Unemployment rate unadjusted 2.9%, 2.9%, lower than forecast 3%.
So price broke structure here. Broke structure here, and then in 1 minute tagged into here, which is a supply zone. But it had this demand zone, so I didn't take it. If you had taken this zone out on 59 and 8 o'clock come and tagged that zone, then sure, but this could easily keep going higher in the 1 minute. You got 15 seconds left. Okay, London open on the minutes come taken out these highs. So let's just erase all of that. Make chart clean. Let's move that out
ECB
the way.
Cipollone says we're taking decisions meeting by meeting. ECB Cipollone says risks around inflation seem balanced.
And then we got all of this here to attack as well. So
There are still many risks in the pipeline.
let's see if it's gonna
the economy has been resilient.
Give me what I would like to see.
And stand ready to react to any shock.
I want to short through all of that into the invalid zone at the bottom. I can trade most GBP crosses and stuff like that, but I just can't look at too many pairs at one go, innit? What's the yen done? Yen's come... Oh, wow. It's come down on the 1 minute, taking Asia low. 1 second. Yeah, it's too hard, bro, looking at too many pairs, innit? On M1, it's flipping not easy, bro. Looking at all these pairs. Oh my god, I really like the look of this. Dairy. I'm gonna look for longs on GJ. Like, it actually looks very nice. Let's just hope the SL is within my, you know, room. If that makes sense. This may sound strange, but I'm market charts, my chart online chart. Yeah, it makes sense. You can see breaks the structure and stuff like that more clearly, market structure more clearly. There you go. I wanted longs. On gbpchf. Line chart superiority. No, line chart works, man. Okay, so now London Open's come taking this out. So build up, sweep, higher, lower high, higher low, higher high for longs. I do see that, but the whole time this was telling me price is gonna make a leg down, so I wanted shorts. I'm still gonna I think I'm still gonna stick with shorts, man. Yeah. You see now, innit? I use Kraken, innit? Because I'm in the UK. But Coinbase is supposed to be the best.
According
but
to people familiar with the matter, key
From the
Japan
UK,
officials
innit?
wouldn't block a Bank of Japan December hike.
Oh wow, that's gonna strengthen the yen. This zone's gonna fail, I think. Tagged into it once, tagged into it twice, tagged into it 3 times. That zone's gonna fail. Yeah, because of what they said, innit? They said that the Bank of Japan's not gonna block rate hikes, which I said, oh no. I said that as soon as I heard that, I was like, oh no, that's not good. And now the yen is gonna get strong. I wanted to go long as well, but that changes it because the market's pricing it is absorbing that information. Oh dear. I mean, we do have an M15 demand zone right here, but I don't know if that's gonna hold. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold. I do want to go long, but I'm a bit concerned in it after hearing that news. Yeah. We're getting some stupid behavior from GU right now. Euro still going higher and higher and higher. I still think So Asia was showing bearish price action, yeah? We had lower highs and lower lows. Then we had a build up, sweep, failed to break structure, price come down, took this lower, broke structure here. I'm going M2 because it's a bit more cleaner on euro. So bearish leg, pull back, took these highs, bearish leg,
we will need to act.
Pull back, took these highs in this channel. I was expecting a bearish leg. I didn't get one. So I thought, okay, Frankfurt's gonna come up, make the high, take some level and then drop down. Or London just kept going higher. Now I'm wondering, because I got lower high, lower low, lower high, technically higher low, and now we've got higher high, higher low here. I don't want to be buying from up here. It just feels like a bad idea to me. So I'm still gonna stick with the idea of shorts, because remember, I've got that data point that says London Open moves 10 to 15 to 20 pips on GU in the first half an hour, 40 minutes, and then does a reversal. I'm hoping that's gonna occur today. How big is the candles? The candles are huge. At least FTMO is not gonna have a problem about margin today. They can't have a problem about margin today. One of the guys who trades a similar way I do, he went long from here and he covered Asia low. And I think his entry was here. But he takes 1 to 2, 1 to 3 R, which I don't get why you would just do a 1 to 3. And then he went long here again. Nah. Well, J did what I wanted it to do. It just GC, sorry, it just didn't give me an entry. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low. Didn't break structure, and it just flew off. It just flew off. It just did one break here, had back in, ranged for a bit, then flew off. So GC was right, just didn't get an entry on that. Very unfortunate, boys. Keep that, delete everything else. So that's unfortunate on GC. Now I just need GJ to give me something for longs. Although I am a bit about it because of the fundamental news. That price drop was quite bad. Okay, what's GJ doing now? GU doing now? So, yes, we did have a low taken out here. We had a channel built up. We took it out here. Left Frankfurt high there at 730. Tagged in, gave a reaction. London's comes, takes that zone out. Yeah, makes sense, I suppose, man. Longs do make sense, but I was just following shorts in it. Oh yes, also, are you idiot? How did I forget this zone? Ah yes, I forgot that invalid zone. I had it in pink as well, man. You stupid. So price tagged in, gave a reaction, took this lower, engineered internal here, Asia low come down, took it, left Frankfurt high there as an invalid zone. Obviously this Asia low could be classed as invalid just in case. But price shouldn't have to come back there if it's all balanced in it, and it kind of had a bunch of lows here as well at the same time. And then Frankfurt low come, took this level out, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, London open. That was a bit tricky though actually because of London open. That was a bit tricky because if it tagged there you couldn't have gone long here. Obviously London open come, took that zone out, then tagged in. Yeah, I wouldn't have traded that anyway. Even if I wanted to go long, I wouldn't have traded that. It's not clean enough for me. I wouldn't have traded that. So that's okay. That's not the end of the world. So now let's look at this then. So build up, sweep, broke structure. I'm wrong again today, man. I don't know what's going on.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get construction PMIs for Europe. Italian prior 50 spot 7, French prior 39 spot 8, Eurozone prior 44,
0.6.
German prior 42 spot 8.
What do you mean? It tagged, do you know? It tagged you, you know? Price messing with me out there. On my broker says you got tagged in it, but nope. Didn't probably a very slight price difference here yet. Bro, price literally touched my entry and still hasn't opened the limit. Looks like spread is affecting it because bid price. Yeah. So I was wrong on the buy on the shorts then. Price, because obviously price tagged an invalid zone, gave a reaction on higher time frame, calmed down, dropped, took this internal higher low, which obviously is valid, but for me I don't like them, but it is valid. And then after taking that, I had a build up, Frankfurt low there, sweeped it, pushed up, and then London open come down. I couldn't have got that entry anyway. Where could I have entered from? Realistically, where could I have entered from? Just keep waiting, bro. It's either gonna come or it's gonna fly away. Oh, what? Yeah, that spreads right there, bro. That spreads right there. That's so close as well. Oh my god. But how much is the spread? Like 3-4 pips, isn't it? So yeah, very annoying. So Pan's going for it. And if this zone failed, which the invalid zone did, there was no entry anyway. So yeah. Yeah, I can't really do anything. Oh wait, let's look at yen, sorry. Yen.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get European
1.2, yeah.
Italian prior 50.7, French prior 39.8, Eurozone prior.
The spread is
44,
affecting it because bid price
prior
came in
42.8.
If it away and didn't tag me, it's 1.2. Yeah, just wait then. It might come back. But I don't like the idea of how price is tagging to the demand zone. Once it comes out, twice, 3 times come back down, 4 times come back down, 5 times come back down. I don't like the look of that. So I'm just gonna keep waiting for like a bit of confirmation on that. Let's look at Euro then. Did Euro give a clean entry? So we had build up here, sweep here, so lower high, lower low, lower high there, M5 demand zone, invalid zone. Couldn't have bought anywhere here because it's too close to that. London. Oh, I'm actually happy, bro. There was no clean entries. Oh, thank God. I'm happy there's no clean entries. So build up, sweep, broke structure, tagged invalid zone, put these lows out. See, it's a perfect example here, yeah? Invalid zone, got these equal lows here, price to the equal lows out here, and then the invalid zone failed. I love when price does that. That's so clean. But I don't like taking an entry even after it's done that CP and it breaks structure and maybe it tags a zone here. I don't like doing it just in case it keeps going down because you do have the invalid zone below it, man. So it might take the invalid zone out and then push up in it because you got high and low invalid zone. That would have been close on Euro for an entry, but then also it took the midline right there, so it would have been, ooh, wait a second, you know, type thing. Yeah, I can't argue, man. I mean, yeah, I'm happy with how I viewed the market. If I viewed it wrong, I viewed it wrong. It is what it is. You can't be perfect every single time you look at something. Let's go M15. So that's gonna probably fail. .3 pips on gold. Why not? Why not?
One minute remaining. I'll leave the Eurozone
22.7 off.
construction
Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's just turn that into 10 realistically. 19 off. 19 is more better. Right, so probably do like 12 or 15 might be safe. I don't know how much to cover the zone with because it's been so long, man. I haven't
45
traded
spot
gold.
4, 45 spot 4, German, 45 spot 2, 45 spot 2, French, 43 spot 6, 43 spot 6, Italian, 48 spot 2, 48 spot 2. Oh, come on, man. What about GCHF? What's that doing? Been no entry on there anyway. Even if I wanted to short it, even if I wanted to, there'd be no entry on there anyway, so that's fine. Yeah, for me, Francis, it was actually 2.2 pips into the zone. And right now the spread is 1.1. So I think it would have been just price difference with broker, to be fair.
Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Yeah, just ignore it, leave it then. Yeah, if it doesn't give you what you want, just say, you know what, forget it, it's no point. You know what I mean? I really want to go short on gold from here, but I don't like the fact it's touched this zone here. I really don't like the fact it's touched this zone. But I really wanted to go short from here. I'm just looking at price action right now, wondering in it, what's it gonna do? What's silver doing? I don't know if it would have tagged though, but yeah, I might have tagged it. Let's just see how that goes. Hovering around 23, 22 pips. I don't know, man. I'm suspicious of that zone, to be honest, Francis, bro. Because for me, like, if you got Asia midline supply zones and stuff like that, for me, a supply zone should work. It should tag into a drop and then move away from that zone. It shouldn't tag in, come back, tag in, come back, tag in, come back. That just makes you think that zone's gonna fail. And then also, obviously, on M1, we've got price just tagged into this demand zone. We technically broke structure here. So I'm just a bit like, ugh. But at the same time, we've got all of this channel right here. So we should melt through all of that. Like, you should melt through all of that. So I'm very suspicious. Would be the right word. Suspicious. Lads, hit like if you haven't hit like. Thank you. Silver do me good. Wow, what you do on silver? Oof, silver's really bad. Silver do me good. That's funny. Okay, thank you. It's coming up now. Break structure. Let's look at GJ then. Ah, my neck. Absolutely cooked. Right, okay. Now, where's the entry gonna be? I'd say about there. Say about there. So 808. 5 put a flipping L, man. Typical, innit? Has to be big SL. But actually, you know what? It might not be that bad. It might not be that bad, actually. Where's GJ? Shit, that's cold. No. GJ on M1, not you stupid. And then the entry. Yeah, give me a bullish close on that candle, please. And then I don't mind thinking about getting into that long. Actually, what's CHF doing? So the SL is 750. I'll do 735 on here. Entry, I'll do 810. That looks much better, that does. Let's get on the 100k. Hey. Still looks valid on GJ. No, I'll see how that goes then. Let's see if it actually drops back and tags it or not. We break structure here as though it is even nicer. Right, I mean, let's see if I get slapped or if I'm okay. Looks like I might get slapped. We'll see though in a second. I didn't have enough SL to cover the range because it would have been a big SL, man. So let's see. If it doesn't hit an L, then this is going to be break-even point. So let's see how that goes. About GCHF. Okay, slowly pushing up now. And I see if it continues that push or if it's gonna just completely give reaction and take us out, because it might just give a reaction and take us out in it. So just see how it does. I'll go on the 15-second. Damn it! I'll go on the 15-second chart and keep an eye on it here.
AM Eastern Time. We expect comments from ECB's Kosher.
What time did we trigger that trade? 8:46. Was there any news? 8:46. No, perfect. No news, so that's okay. All the accounts are in profit right now, but that could quite easily change. The SR was bigger on this. I think on my funded next account is a 6 pip SL. So I need 6, 12, 18 pips to get back to around break even. So it's going to be a lot bigger on that account than it will be the other accounts. Okay, that's fine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce risk on this now, just to be safe. I've reduced risk on there. And now we're running in a bit of profit, which is good. This is only going to be an 11-hour trade. If we do hit 70 pips, it's only going to be 13. So it's not going to be as much as what it usually tends to. If it does go all the way, of course. So reduced risk now. Let's come back to about break even, so let's see what it's gonna do now.
At 4 a.m. Eastern time, we expect
It might hit. It might hit. Yeah, it's gonna hit. Yeah. It's hit on here. It's not hit on funded next. It's not hit on ACG yet. So I'm just gonna roll stop even more, because if it does come back, it's gonna hit. Yep. Done. Hit there. Hit there. Okay, done. Yeah, just reduced SL. Just a reduced SL. Yeah, markets are shite, man. Honestly, absolutely shite. Kiss my brown ass, bro. Is what most people would say, but I don't say that because my psychology is good. It is what it is. These things happen, bro. These things bloody happen. What's happening with gold anyway? What the hell? WTF is what? Gold is still being crappy. It did end up taking that zone out, which was good. Been up about how many are right now? About 3 and 4 are. I'll have to post this online now as well. I'm glad I did reduce risk on that. I think it's a very good idea. Get rid of you, lock all you down. I think it was here. Yeah. That downloaded picture. Delete. All that's done. Delete that. From time frame. Keep them all there. What are you talking about, Francis? What's up?
Shortly expecting comments from ECB's cost show.
How big was the lot on the FTMO account? Let's look at the FTMO. The lot was 9.85 with the 6 pip SR, not so bad. And the loss on there was not even 1%, they're 0.1%. It was so small. And then on the 50k, the loss on that was not even 0.1%. That's fine. I'm alright with that. think that's an equal high. Yeah, looks like it. I do want this to fail, probably be around 4-ish. So yen still going down. If this price actually continues, I might apply for bang, bro. I swear down, bro. Legit, like, you know, alhamdulillah, yeah, my psychology is so good and my sabr's like really, really good, yeah. But even I'm getting a bit like slightly frustrated because normally I call price to a T. Like in the last few months, I've been right about 70-80% of the time because I'm switching buys two shorts and they're all valid. It's just the entries are swerved and stuff like that. The last 2 weeks, bro, I've probably called price like 30% of the times accurately. Like, what's going on? Like, what's going on? Yeah, I know. I know. Like, I just I want to make a video call for all of us who've been screwed by the market this week, and we all get drunk on a stream together. But obviously not drunk, innit? Sahad, what time frame do you trade again? 4 hour, yeah? Yeah.
Well, hello everybody. This is Donald.
You shut the fuck up, Trump. Yeah, we don't want to hear your voice right now about markets and this and that and offers and stuff. We're all getting analyzed by the market. What you? Okay, stop it. There.
Emotional damage.
Uncle Roger don't like you.
Yeah, Uncle Roger don't like market and I don't like market too. Hiya. Market always do the backflip. You know the backflip. You enter the buy position, the price give you profit, and then for you, it take you out in your SL. You know, for you. I'm glad I reduced risk on that trade though. I just had the feeling in it because on GJ I knew that fundamentally, man. I heard that they're not gonna block rate hikes. So I was like, oof, this could go horribly wrong against me, yeah. But technicals were there. And I don't really trade fundamentals in it. I understand them to a good level, but I don't trade fundamentals, and you can't really trade them on M1 often. So then I was like, okay, cool. I need to do reduced risk. So I cut risk down by like what, 1.5%, 1.5 pips or something like that. It's supposed to be 750, and instead it was 7.6. So 1.3 pips I cut it by. So that helped a lot, to be fair. Normally I wouldn't do that, but in this situation I had to use context in and think about why is it valid, etc, to do that. EU, gold, what else? EU, gold. I'll have a look in it. Let me grab a few more. Euro, GBP, nope. Gold is obviously really good. EURUSD is really good. I don't know about Euro CH. What about AUD USD? Let's do AU. Oh shit. Let's put the template up in it. AU is quite bad as well. Let's do Euro CHF. No, CHF is quite bad. Euro AUD. I think Euro AUD might be alright. Euro CHF, Euro JPY, Euro USD. Let's do Euro JPY, because JPY is it's a bit like gold in it. There's a lot. And let's look at Euro JPY and GBPJPY. 2 pip difference on between 1.6 to 2 pips on GJ. On Euro, it is 1.3 pips, 1.4 pips, which ain't as bad. That's not any as bad. 1 point.
Hello, we're calling from Refund Consultants. We're calling as you might be eligible for compensation for any property repair you had carried.
So these AI scammers, man. Euro JPY is 1.41. Euro JPY is better, but still not like proper tight spreads. What other pairs do you want me to have a look at? Yeah, what other pairs do you want me to? Because I got MT5 open on the desktop anyway, so I can have a look in it. But what other pairs? Euro is normally the best in it. I'm trying to think of your USD, CHF. CHF is bad. NZD, CHF, JPY. Oof. I bet CHF, JPY has got big spread. Huh? What the hell? It's actually not that bad. It's about 2 pips. Yeah, it's not that bad. Metals, energies, indices. Indices tend to be quite tight. Let's look at US 30. I don't know if you trade indices or not though, because they're very different to Forex. I don't know how to work out the pip or tick or contract. I don't even know how to work that out. Never mind, ignore me. I think, you know, for zero spreads, only there is no other asset. For zero spreads, there's only Euro, bro. USD.
China says the EU made the right choice.
Yeah, oh my
case.
god. That statement's insane. But yeah, you're right.
Japan's PM Takaichi is arranging to meet with South Korean President Lee in Nara and Japan in mid-January, according to Kyodo.
Had a lot of work to get done. No, it's okay. Welcome, bro. I took a small reduced L on GJ. I knew it was a bit 50-50. Gold, I don't know what's going on with gold. Is it falling? Is it going? Oh look, it did drop. It did drop. I did want that entry, but as I said, it tagged that demand zone, so I didn't take it in it.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK CPI expectations and UK construction PMI forecast 44.6 on the prior 44.1.
The entry was 615 in it, but he got swerved by the broker. And then price moved. So what do you see? Lovely volume up, lovely volume down. Oh, they definitely got swerved on M1 there. Now, this price action, I'm not happy with it whatsoever, man. Not happy with it whatsoever. Absolutely truck price action. So pound rallies up, yeah, harder than euro does, and then falls off harder than euro does, and then euro is just sat up there, which is annoying because it's just not being consistent in any way. The pound isn't. My silver closed on some loss, so gold's there, silver's. Oh, were you shorting it? No, you were buying it, weren't you? Oh yeah.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK CPI expectations. We also get UK construction PMI forecast 44.6 on the prior 44.1.
My entry was price reached, and on my broker on IC markets it tagged it by 2 pips, so that was like a broker variation or whatever. Gold always goes up, dude. Yeah, it does. You can short it, obviously, but yeah, it's one of those, isn't it? Like here, you could have shorted it, and same with the thingy there, you could have shorted that tiny bit of a move there, but yeah, man. So yeah. I hate price action today, bro. I swear down. I was wrong on my bias, yeah, on EUGU, and even if I switched to buys, that wasn't a clean zone. Alright, cool, yeah. GCHF, I was right on GCHF on bias, but couldn't really get a clean entry on that either. Actually, no, I would have had to break even on GCHF. I don't see anything in London today. I'm a ban. See you next time, G. Yeah, probably tomorrow or New York session, whatever, innit? I'll see you then, my guy. Take it easy. And remember, you're very handsome man, bro. Oh my. Yeah, there's no clean on even on GBPCHF. It wasn't really clean. Price did fall through this invalid zone and take out these lows here. I suppose I can get rid of them. Oh, I need to message Quanteco. Yes. Message them. I need to message for them. At least today I've done minimum trading days at least. That's not the end of the world.
39.4, 39.4, lower than forecast, 44.6.
Damn it. Dalama. Now I'm up 2.9% on the 50k. So I went from 4.2% to 2.9. They're really good at making you not catch clean trade, just do shit rules. They're really good at it. Really good.
3.7%. UK November decision maker year ahead CPI expectations 3.4%.
Slippage, issue, risk and compliance.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67%.
Right, so I just sent in that. How is GBP news? Construction PMI, that's not so important on
wage growth in the coming year.
UK. We got retail sales in Euro 10 o'clock. US, we got New York session, we got unemployment. I'm gonna look at New York session, man. Maybe there's gonna be something in New York. Like the price action's better, if that makes sense, because it's giving entries, but it's really crap at the same time. I prefer it before, where it's invalidation, but my bias is right. I'm more happy with invalidation, and bias is right than price is absolutely dirty and you just get chopped up, chopped down. Like, what can I do with that? You know what I mean? What can I do with that? Like, look what's going on with the pound. Pound's doing crazy stuff right now. What's wrong with it? Euro is doing tiny candles. Yeah, pound's doing big pen flipping tigre, like, I don't know. Big things. Big things. I think he's gonna reset the cycle now, and now gold wants to come back to my entry. Does it? Oh yeah, now it's coming back. Let me just set it here, yeah. 41. Wait. It's 46.15. Oh damn it. There, 46.15. That's about right, innit? No, you don't do 170 pips, do you? Actually, no, maybe you do because you cover Asia, innit? So, about 200 pips. And you target like what? 1 to 1? 1 to 2? Come on, Francis, it's coming close. Come on, lad. It's just 9.8 pips away. $110. Also here, that's 115 in it. Can we get a 110 anywhere here? That's fine, I suppose. And then 2R is pretty much just Asia low. We're all here with you, Francis. We're all looking at the trade with you. You can't get entry. You can't get TP. If all of us fail, you are the one we're relying on. When you get paid, you all want profit share. Thank you. 20% each of your $5 payout on your $5 account. Messing around. Why ain't it? Bro started to reject again, man. Why isn't it just bloody tagging in? Yeah, whatever happened. Yeah, exactly, innit? Instead of having a 0.5% loss, I had a 0.3% loss, which is okay. I can work with that, man. Where's the balance in the account? The balance and stuff like that. 1.7% drawdown. That's not bad. We can work with the 1.7%. I'm gonna probably stick around till 10 o'clock because I'm not gonna take another trade in London session. My price is so crappy. Look at euro. Oh my god. Was there any zone on here that I think you reacted from pound? I can't really see anything, man, that it like clearly reacted from. See, this was clean, bro. No freaking invalidation zones or anything, but there's no sweep there or anything. It's just coming off of a supply zone, which I know is invalid, giving a reaction. So I don't want to take that. Euro is just, yeah, peace out, mate. Okay, Francis, you're close, bro. You're close. Look. We're 4.5.4 Oh shit. I jinxed it. Have they done it? I just heard the beep. Okay, wait, he's in. Sorry, I wasn't looking. He's in. I swear, some Comex. I swear, they're toying with me. Now that I'm in, time to head to sell. Let's see what happens, bro. And don't worry, if it does, I will laugh with you how I laugh when I take an L as well. I'll be with you in that. So I'll stay here until the trade hits L or TP. I'll stay here. Khalil, are you here? There's a signal. It's not mine though. Give a wick rejection, you stupid. And remember how I drew up this level here? Hopefully price comes here and then rejects and comes down. If it does, I'm gonna short that. Actually, I will actually short that. I will actually short that. I'm gonna keep an eye on gold right here. You get rid of EU, GU, GJ, GC. They can all kiss my ass. As Michael Blackson says, kiss my ass, Mudasuka. We're fully zoomed in right now. Do M2 in it so you can like see the price action on M2 nice and clearly. There you go. There, we happy with that? Yeah, we can all see clearly now. I wasn't turn my tablet off. I'm gonna freaking trade now. Now close all my trade copying stuff. Boy, my butt hurts from sitting here for too long. Oh, hiya. I'm just checking the trade copier. I'm up 1.6 on the account.
At 5 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Eurozone retail sales. Year-on-year forecast 1 spot 3% on the prior 1%. Month-on-month forecast 0% on the prior minus 0 spot 1%.
I'm just going through all of my accounts. Yeah, it should do, innit? It should do. Hopefully. %4 down on phase 2 on ACG. 5, 10, 15, 3% down on ACG on the 5k phase 2. Okay, that's fine. I think you'll be alright, to be honest, bro. Your SL's big enough, so hopefully you should be covered. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Ah, my neck. Ugh. I think you'll be fine. Right, so they've reset the payout cycle. Yeah, there you go, 14 days. Beautiful. Right, don't payout cycles reset on the 50k. One of the 14 days. Yeah, now we need to reject this midline. If not, next level is yesterday's Tokyo low, which is my
At 5
sell.
a.m. Eastern time, we get Eurozone retail sales year-on-year forecast 1.3% on the prior 1%.
Oh
Month-on-month
yeah, I
forecast
see around
0%
here.
on the prior minus 0.1%.
I see. So wait, silver's flying out as well. I mean, silver did offer this big move down, innit? Silver did offer that big move down, which is 9 o'clock. Was there any news at 9? What happened at 9? So no news happened at 9, so that's just purely price action related. It's not flying, but it's done a comfortable move in it. It's done a comfortable move back up, and obviously gold is doing the, oh my god, was buying to 58.4, 58.4, so that high there. Okay, and you bought in, where did you buy in? Asia low, innit? I think you bought in just this low, wasn't it? At 630 low or something, and then it took you out and went up, didn't it? So now we took this level out into this zone here. If it gives short confirmation, I'm gonna take it. Has tagged that zone by 1.76 pips as well.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with Eurozone retail sales year on year.
Okay, retail sales year on year is what we're leading with. On to my guy. Shit price actually, I swear. I'll just wait for shorts on both. Yeah. But I just want to see how Euro reacts to the news.
One spot 5%, one spot 5% higher
Oh,
than forecast, one
that's
spot
good.
3%, month on month 0%, 0% as expected.
That's okay year on year then, but it's not doing much of a move yet. Support, or you mean resistance? Yo, he's trying to buy. He's trying to buy. That reminds me of a meme I seen on Instagram where, let me see if I can find the meme, bro. It was really good.
According to the Washington Post, Amazon mulls ending partnership with US Postal Service.
Saved memes, all posts. This one here. Wait. TradingView, Instagram. So it reminds me of this. That's gonna be them two. One's gonna enter shorts, one's gonna enter long, and they're gonna start boxing each other. They're gonna start looking. There's gonna be all over the news. Big breakout happens of a war in Kenya between the Francis tribe and the Mwangi tribe. So, okay. What's Murima? I don't know what that even is. I'm guessing that's the tribe, yeah. It's kind of hovering around his area now.
GG reports that the Bank of Japan is carrying out an assessment of the level of neutral interest rate.
Okay, mountain people, yeah. That's cool. Okay, it's still going higher. Don't like the look of that. I don't think Francis does either. I don't mind if it comes up, takes this level out, because it only just did wick into that 5-minute zone. So I don't mind if it does kind of like come up, take that zone out, then
Well,
look down and go bullish.
You're behind the
Donald Trump,
markets.
why don't you take a break? Thank you. Then we come down to all of that. I would like that or that, and then go short from there, and then we. What the hell? Why is it not deleting these? I'll just drop the links in the chat anyway. And then just see what happens in the next 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. See what price action does, because it's still kind of. I think that was the move. That move there I wanted. I think that was the move for shorts. Offered the midline. This is just me hoping that it's just engineered like, you know, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, and then it's kind of took it out to come down, hopefully.
The EU suspects Meta policy may thwart competing AI providers. So Meta is hit by EU antitrust probe over WhatsApp AI tools.
And push up a bit more and then start rejecting. Oh, listen, have you guys heard this?
Inside your mouth, speak. You suck too much dick. How many dick did you suck last night? Bitch. How many people did you fuck last night?
Have you heard that? That guy's hilarious, bro. I think he's Haitian. One bar. Quack. Two. Inside your mouth. Speak. How much dick did you suck last night? Who care? One bar. Oh man, that's so funny. One of the best videos I've ever seen online. Quack. Two. Inside your mouth. Speak. Who care? Haitians are funny, man. Might as well post the trade on Discord and stuff, innit? Right, just posted that. That's done. Now, just keep looking at the charts. Right, where are we? Francis, it's coming down now. So higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Is that? Yep. £15 SL. If it was me, I would probably cover it to not 35 but probably 30, and then once again aim for Asia low, which will be 9R. So now I need this to break. Well, it has broke actually, so I need that to tag the supply and then give a reaction down. Then I'm willing to go short. So I need it to because they made a higher high in it. So I messed that up, didn't I? Yep. So there to there to there to there to there. Draw that there. Now I want it to not just break, test that, come back down into here. Then I'm gonna go short there. That's pretty much the plan. Good time for silver to fail. Oh, this guy. Okay, so we have kind of filled the gap on that. I just wanted to come. Yeah, that's it. Come up a bit more. Tag that supply zone. That's good enough. I'm happy with that. Now I drop down and break structure again. Yeah, there you go. Do a big body candle. I'll use this as the supply zone. What are you doing? You stupid. Wait, it's on M2 in it. Duh. I still accept it as an M2 supply. I'm still willing to accept that. I don't mind if it just pushes up and tags it. This is after 18 minutes past 10. I'm only gonna take it on the 50k account. If this comes up and breaks this high, Francis, I'm not taking it. Them futures managers watching this stream, I'm telling you. That's funny. And then laugh at our trades. But I laugh at my own trades. I laugh at my own trades. I do like the look of this though. It's come up there, nice. It's filled, that is beautiful. That is clean, bro. Look at that. Now come down, break structure here, leave a nice supply zone, and then we'll get long. Come on, you. Who care? Whack two inside your mouth. Who care? I laughed at Saad's face. Hello, my name's Ahad. I am model from India. I'm from Calcutta. I also have a house in Bangalore. I do banking. Because didn't he say he was ex-banker? I did banking before. Sa? You have problem with your system? No problem. And then he does like, wait, let me. Okay, yeah, so you know how, like, you know, when you have long hair, Indians do it, Asians do it, like Pakistani Indians in movies. They go like that. So they do that. That's gonna be funny as well. 1 sec right now. What's that, sir? Yeah. Exactly that, Francis. Bro, can you explain the fundamentals regarding JPY? Okay, so they said that the Bank of Japan is not willing to block the idea of rate hikes. When you hike rates, it makes the currency more expensive because the cost to go to the bank and borrow the money, i.e. the interest and stuff like that, becomes more expensive. Which means when you borrow from them, if they charge more interest, you're going to make less money on that. And what a lot of people do is they go to the yen, which has low interest rates, borrow loads of money from there, put the money into gold, where inflation's crazy, take the money out, pay back the interest, you got loads of profit. You see what I'm trying to say? So when you say you're going to do rate hike, time to handle chores, we'll update how the trade went. Bro, we're sat here waiting with you, and you're going to leave and do the chores. We're sat here and he's like, I'm gonna go now, bye. Nah, it's fine. Obviously, if you got stuff to do, it's fine, innit, bro? So that's what they do. Now, if the Bank of Japan says they're not willing to block rate hikes, that means that they're not willing to stop rate hikes. If there's a possibility, like they're thinking about, if they're gonna do it, they're not gonna challenge it. That's concerning for the yen, because the yen is the safe haven currency like the Swiss franc, which is always zero or very close to zero borrowing rate from the bank. Now, if the yen says, actually, we're not gonna completely block them, we're not willing to block them if they want to rate hikes, that's gonna make the yen more expensive. Obviously, when you look at GJ, they made that statement around about here, or around about here, they made that statement, and then it kept going down, They made the statement, when did they make the statement? It was a voice note, innit? Okay, yeah. Key Japan officials wouldn't block Bank of Japan December hike. That's and that was 8:08. So let's just go back to about 8 o'clock. Yeah, let's go back to 8 o'clock on yen. Right here, we keep an eye on gold as well. We just set my alert here, innit? Yeah, so 991899 99999. I'm German. 99999. So what is that? 9918. So I'll do 15. There. Got an alert there now, so I don't miss the trade, innit? If I see it on gold. Okay, so 8 o'clock. Let's go M2, yeah? So 8 o'clock. Was it here when they said it? 808 is here. And then I was like, okay, it's given recovery pullback now, and I said to myself, yeah, if I take the trade, it's suspicious. We do have a channel here. We did have an M5 invalid zone here. So I thought, technically, it's looking clean, bro. You see what I'm thinking? So I took the entry here, and then as soon as price broke on M1, broke this high here, this one, broke this high here, then I reduced my risk from here to about here, and then luckily it happened because it would have taken an L anyway. So I knew technically buys, fundamentally this is a bit concerning. Otherwise I would have just, if that news didn't happen, I'd have just left it, wait for break even and took it, and took a full L. And who knows, if they didn't make that statement, maybe price would have consolidated, gave me a break even, and then tagged me out. Maybe it might have even gave me price coming into the invalid zone. I don't know if it would have gave me profit to take partials. I don't know. You can never really guess the future like that, you know what I'm saying? So that's what happened with that. Hope that was valuable knowledge for you. Euro is coming down. Why is euro coming down and pound staying steady? Because there is some sort of comments coming out from euro. You suspects meta policy may thwart competing AI providers. That's not anything big. Okay. If I don't get anything in the next 3 minutes, I'm done now. I don't want to take a trade after 10:30. Even though it's gold, I don't want to take a trade after 10:30. Too late now, bro. Flipping is finally broke structure, but flipping. Yeah, the tart's gonna come back and tag it in 1 minute, bro. Not even let me take an entry. Watch. Yep, there you go. It's come already. I will do like 15 to be fair, or 20. Look at that, bro. Broke structure and tagged it straight away. And then whipped straight down. Damn it, man. I couldn't even take that, bro. How can I take that in 1 minute, bro? I need to draw the entry, everything, go to my phone. Lord, sorry, Benny. Hit SL now, come on. Go up, hit SL.
So seeing GG reporting that Bank of Japan is carrying out assessment of the level of neutral interest rate.
Yes. If you took, you would have had break even in 1 minute, bro. And then now possibly in L.
Lloyds Bank CEO says UK budget has cleared uncertainty.
And they just tagged that. There's 20 pips. In about there. But I think it's gonna keep going higher. Bro, I swear, I can't believe how, but you know what? I'm gonna send a message on their Discord. Because you just reminded me about that. Hi, I bought raw spread accounts. Can someone explain why eurusd has... Let's have a look. Point 4, 0.5. They're done. Hi, I bought a raw spread account. Can someone explain why eurusd has 4.5 pip spreads and gbpjpy has 1.8 to 2.4 pip spreads? Special quotations on a raw spread account. I just said it in the Discord. Let's see what they say. Bro, the spreads are dirty, man. Proper dirty. Euro is one of the only few assets that has good that you informed them. One guy goes, please reach out to the live support team for account review. Okay. Live chat. Why you don't let me speak to you? Okay, log in. Log in. Now does it let me speak to you? Okay, yeah. Message. Rate your conversation. No thanks, mate. Phone login, trading calls, verification account. Live agent. There you go. And copy the message. There. Right. So let's see what the web chat says. I'm just messaging him now. He goes, I checked your accounts, they're all raw spread. I goes, bro, Euro has 0.5 spread. I goes, GJ's got 1.8 to 2.4. I goes, raw on Euro 0 to 0.2 and raw on GJ 0.6 to 1.2. Your Euro is 0.4 to 0.6 and GJ is 1.8 to 2.4. That's not raw. That's normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. I have a personal account and I'm with 8 different firms. No firm that offers raw spread. Have I seen Euro USD ever have more than 0.2 pips? Yours is always 0.4 to 0.6. Oh dear. Cholo, I'm done anyway, man. Gold didn't really do anything, unfortunately. I'll keep this on the chart so you can follow Francis's trade. I'll do it till about 2:30, innit? I'll know by then where Francis's trade is. Let's get ready for New York anyway. He's typing. Where does it say best spreads in the... I don't see anything about them saying best spreads or anything. I saw it in some website, yeah, and messaging them now. And they say each broker works a different set of LPs and therefore liquidity available at each instant can vary. It doesn't matter. Your spreads are always 0.4 to 0.6 on euro, always. Like that's consistently. Maybe in Asia session it's tighter, but who's trading 2-3 in the morning? Not me. I said, okay, I'll leave a review on Trustpilot of the raw spreads. Cheers. Customers should know the real situation of the broker and the spreads and stuff. If I knew it was this bad, I wouldn't have joined. So I'm stuck unless you can offer a refund. So I'm just going to see what they say. I still trade it, obviously. I'll just have to adjust everything for it. But the spreads are really bad. They're actually like the same as normal. They're not raw at all. They're normal spreads. We do offer a read-only version of the client account so you can review and verify the details before making a purchase. This allows you to explore the account without making any changes, ensuring you are fully comfortable with what you're purchasing. Okay. Basically, they have an account you can compare to QT. How is the spreads? The spreads are QT spreads are okay. QT spreads are fine. I don't think they're that bad at all. But FXify is the worst raw spread I've ever seen. Euro USD right now on the raw spread. Apparently this is a raw spread account. I don't even know. Yeah, 0.2. That's okay. On euro, 0.2 is okay. And on pound, it's 0.5. That's okay. I think I do have one account that is raw spread actually. 1 second. I'm sure there was one account that was raw spread. But they've changed their accounts loads, bro. Before it was raw spread as standard, then they changed it. Now you got QTR. QTR, this one is 0.6. Huh? Isn't QTR the raw spread? Bro, I don't even know, man. They got so many different accounts and stuff like that. I can't even tell you. Yeah, I don't even know. Cholo, listen, I'm done anyway. I'll see you later. If I trade New York, if I trade New York, obviously I'll post it in the Discord. Bye. Yeah, peace out, bro. I'm gonna go over to Miko's and just say hello before he cuts his stream, innit? So yeah, peace out, guys. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it, man. Oh wait, let's look at gold. Oh, gold is still consolidating. In drawdown by 50 pips. So Francis is probably still a bit like, oh yo. So yeah, peace out, guys. Take it easy, man. If I trade, obviously I'll put it in the Discord. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, man, we get some good price action. We need a clean trade, man. Come on, we need one clean trade. All right, then take it easy, Amal. Thank you, Amal, Mwangi, everyone else who's here. Thank you. Peace out. Bye.